Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave TradeForecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, June 22nd. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 1 hour chart. You can see right here we ended with 2 and 3 right here as a 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now looking for a wave 4 rally in the form of an ABC before it goes down again to continue lower. Now the bottom line here is very simple. As long as we stay below 12,946, we should be looking for the downside again. Now in terms of the exact structure of the rally, there could be a couple of different adjustments depending on what the market is going to be doing, but it will not change the idea that as long as we stay below here, we should be looking for the downside. Now first of all, this wave 4, if you look at it from the retracement point of view, should be finished somewhere around 23.6, 38.2. That's usually that's the area for wave 4, right? So ideally does not go more than 50% retracement, because that will become too big for wave 4. Sometimes it can go to wave 4 of one lesser degree, which is this one, 38.2. So we cannot rule out for the upside. Right now is in the form of a EBC, where we are finishing up the first leg with A. This with 1 here is in the form of a diagonal. This is 2, 3, 4, possibly another leg up. Now a couple of different possibilities here in terms of adjusting the count. I can call 3, 4, 5 here, for example, already finishing the first leg, so now can start the B leg already before another leg up. So that's one possibility. Yet another possibility will be the form, the structure is in the form of a WXY. So for example, this could be ABC over here, okay, and this could be your W, and then you will have an X in 3 X, and then another leg up in the Y leg, so it's in the form of a 3, 3, 3 or 7 swing, okay. And then lastly, the other possibility is going to be that this is actually your entire ABC. This is ABC, and then we just go straight down from here, right? So as you can see, a lot of people want to know the exact perfect structure in the shorter cycle, which is always going to be almost nearly impossible. We can use correlation, we can use the overall market analysis and so on to sort of try to get the best idea or the best count, but eventually at the end of the day, we have several options. Especially the more shorter cycle we are looking at the market, the more options we're going to have. Now you notice that whichever option it might be, whether this is ABC going down, whether this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC before going down, or whether this is ABCW, 3 down X, and then 3 up Y and going down, you can see all those options we talk about, they all basically saying the same thing. As long as we stay below 12,946, we're looking for the downside eventually, and the rally should fail and the indices to continue to go lower, okay. And now let's zoom out a little bit and get some ideas where we are. This is 2 and then 3 right here, so let me put down this 2, this is a 3. So based on this, if this is a 2, then this has to be in the 1. This is the daily time frame, by the way, and if this is the 1, then the starting point of the 1 has got to be from here, right? So from 329 is what we are looking at here. From 329 we should be in a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the 3 is very short, so the 5 has to be shorter than the 3 for this to be valid, right? Because with 3 cannot be the shortest wave, so with 5 here should be shorter than 3. Now if we take a look at it from this all-time high in November 2021 in the Nasdaq, you can see we can count this move down as an impulse or as a 5 waves. So you can get this one, for example, I can put it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, Okay, and so you see the rally here looks pretty impulsive here, this rally. So then that means this could be a flat in the middle. So we can have 1 2 3 4 5 ending A, and then we have a ABC flat, expanded flat B, and then now looking for the C leg. Now if we measure the extension lower based on these three swings down, so this is my first leg, and then this is a expanded flat, and then this is another leg, then we have already reached the 100% extension now, right? Now that doesn't mean we are finished and we can go higher, but that tells us that we are near the support. But the support area, as always, is never going to be one exact level. It's always going to be an area here, and the area is a pretty big, and this one is a 5, and so far we have what looks like a 3 so far from the March 2022. So that's why we're still calling for possibly further extension lower within the same area here. And so right now shorter cycle simply is that as long as the rally here, the current rally, stays below 12,946, we should be looking for further downside again. Alright, so that's the update for today, and if you want to get regular updates on the Nasdaq or other indices, Forex, commodities, stocks, cryptos, then you're welcome to try our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video below. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.